Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of the Redmi K80 Ultra. And this K series from Redmi, which is released every year, is more of a flagship killer line. What does that mean? It's a top-of-the-line killer. They come with really powerful specs and processors, the best on the market, but with very low prices. Okay, prices are much lower than competitors. Before I unbox and review this product, including details and tests, guys, like I always say here, go ahead and leave that like. It really helps a lot, supports the channel, costs nothing, and it's super quick and easy for you to do. Also check if you're still subscribed to the channel because YouTube keeps removing a lot of people. And most importantly, make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos from the channel. Alright, now let's get to our initial unboxing review with first impressions of this launch Redmi K80 Ultra. Let's go to the video, let's do it. And starting the unboxing, guys, we have an ice-colored box with a big silver detail right on the front, highlighting the K80 model. And right below, the Redmi logo and the Xiaomi HyperOS operating system. On the side label, we have the International Mobile Equipment Identity Codes and the product version. This is the 16GB 1TB model, only available in the Chinese version. You will have the language here in English on it. Unfortunately, we don't have Portuguese, but as for Google services, you don't need to worry because everything will work perfectly on it with no problems at all. Everything arrives pre-installed at the winner's home. When you open the box, the envelope is right there. And inside it, we have an ejector pin, a quick start guide, and a black silicone case. Below is the smartphone, along with a USB-A to USB Type-C charging and data cable. And finally, a turbocharger, guys, with 120 watts of power. Really awesome. And now, with the device already in hand, all set up, we have a 6.83-inch organic light-emitting diode screen with a refresh rate of 144 Hz. More than 68 billion colors, high dynamic range 10 plus Dolby Vision, high dynamic range Vivid, and a maximum brightness of 3,200 nits. It offers excellent grip, is comfortable, weighs 219 grams, and is 8.2 millimeters thick. And I found this matte white color to be beautiful. This camera module is okay, nothing too extravagant, but also not too understated. This one needs a gentle back touch, not a slap. Right side volume controls, top stereo speaker and infrared sensor. Left side is smooth with nothing. And on the bottom, the dual nano SIM tray, 5G card, no memory expansion, microphone, USB Type-C port, and stereo speaker. And since this smartphone is the Chinese version, I'm not even going to get into details about the artificial intelligence that comes pre-installed on it, okay? Because any feature you try to use there will take you straight to a Chinese website, which is Baidu, and it will use that as a reference. Unlike the Google apps that you get from the factory. On devices that have this from the factory, you have Gemini, and all the features are directed to Gemini. Like I said, this one already has Google Play Store, and I'll also include Gemini. So you open it and request whatever you want. Ask for any feature you want directly from Gemini. It has some features here on the device that let you edit photos, remove objects, all that stuff you can do directly through the Photos app, okay? But features that require artificial intelligence. To be able to exchange information, use Gemini directly. Now check this out. Battery, guys, 7,410 milliamp hours. Look how crazy that is, a silicon and carbon battery. The performance is unreal. It easily lasts all day. In my processor test, the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus 3 nanometers scored 2,815,000 points. Do you know what that means, man? The device costs under $500. World class and half the price of a flagship. Let's run some gameplay footage with it now. You can see that playing Genshin Impact is very smooth in the transitions, no lags, no problems. Same thing with COD Mobile, very smooth even with all the graphics set to maximum. Alright guys, it runs really smoothly, really well. You can see there guys, it's running smoothly, no freezing, no stuttering, no problems at all. Okay? It even reminded me of Ayrton Senna here. When he used to drive in the rain, he drove really smoothly, without skidding, without slipping at all. Very calm, very smooth, very soft. In the end, he won the race, leaving everyone behind. That's exactly what this guy here is literally doing, okay? With this Antutu score, with this performance, leaving a lot of big names behind, 2,800,000 points is really something impressive for this guy here. It comes with IP68 certification with resistance to submersion up to 2 meters for up to 30 minutes. As for the operating system, we have HyperOS 2 running on Android 15 on the device. It also has near-field communication connectivity for making contactless payments, which works just fine. Not only here in Spain, but also in Brazil. You can use this feature easily. The on-screen fingerprint and facial unlock work perfectly and are very fast. And check this out, there are 5 different versions of this guy here. All right. 12 gigs of RAM with 256 or 512/16 with 256, 512 or 1 terabyte, which is what I have here. Now let's go to the audio and video test done with it. All right guys, audio test here. Selecting settings, advanced quality, 2160p. The volume is already at maximum and I'm going to turn the brightness all the way up too. Now we rotate the screen and use the pinch gesture and there you go. Look at those thin bezels, man. The device is beautiful, really beautiful. Very well balanced colors, really good saturation, and the brightness is also very strong, okay? You won't have any problems using it under the sun. Its audio is stereo, okay? Awesome, man. Really good, guys. Both the audio and the image on this smartphone are really good. Its screen is really beautiful. This organic light-emitting diode screen is truly a show of colors with very well-balanced saturation, and the brightness is also very satisfying. Plus, the stereo audio is really good too. I'll say it again. For its price, it's really great, excellent, wonderful. Now, about the cameras. The front has a 20-megapixel camera that records 1080p at 30 FPS with high dynamic range. Let's view some photos and videos from its front camera. And now guys, front camera of the Redmi K80 Ultra, maximum resolution, full high definition, 60 FPS. It doesn't record in 4K. But you can see here that the ground is really uneven. It's shaking a lot, but it's stabilizing, okay? I'm seeing some nice stabilization here. We can also see that it doesn't have high dynamic range working here. There's no shadow nearby to test. But when we turn like this, look, see how the sky turns completely white there. If I move over here, you see? When it focuses on me, it gets bright, showing there's no high dynamic range for the front camera, only for photos. There's none for videos, alright? But the image quality is really good, and so is the stabilization. I thought the color balance was nice here. It's really beautiful and awesome, wonderful. Front camera of the Redmi K80 Ultra. Guys, I don't know about you, but I think it's really good. Far better than average and beyond my expectations. I really like this result here with its front camera. Now let's move on to its back, which has only 2 cameras. Now I understand that this is where Xiaomi saves money on this device, okay? There's a main 50-megapixel camera with optical image stabilization, and a second 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. All these record at up to 8K resolution at 30 FPS. Let's show some rear camera photos and videos to evaluate the results afterward. Here we are with the Redmi K80 Ultra's rear camera, shooting at 8K 30 FPS. What's this, my brother? 8K 30 and check out the stabilization. This ground is uneven. I'll test the focus. Look. The focus is really fast and the stabilization is awesome too. I'm shaking the device a lot, but look, it's really impressive. Let's see here now. If we can apply the zoom, we can go up to 6 times, also with stabilization, guys. Who would have thought 8K 30, 6 times zoom with stabilization? Look at the quality of this image. It's beautiful, man. What a spectacle, huh? So much detail, really impressive. Coming back here now and it's windy, huh? Let's test the microphone too. It's really windy here, but let's go. That's it, guys. 8K, 30 frames per second. Now let's switch to 4K at 60. Now it's 4K at 60, guys. Let's go. We can do it here. Let me see if I can open the wide angle. No, only the main camera with 6 times zoom as well. Okay, 6 times. But look how it already gets a bit blurrier than 8K, huh? See the difference in resolution, right? Let's walk a little bit here now. Holding it only with my right hand, it stabilizes really well. Really cool. Here are my recording accessories waiting over there. Tripod, headphones, and the drone to get some shots, but that's it, guys. Rear camera 4K at 60 on the Redmi K80 Ultra. Awesome, really, really good. Guys, once again, I don't know what you thought about the rear cameras, but personally, I really liked recording in 8K with stabilization. Honestly, I didn't expect much. Let's move to the final summary. His positives start with the powerful processor. The 7410 silicon carbon battery is impressive, and it supports 120 watt fast charging. The organic light emitting diode screen is beautiful, and the stereo sound is excellent. And to finish, definitely its price, which is exceptional. And for the negative points, Xiaomi typically doesn't release a global version for this model, unfortunately. So you'll have to stick with English only, and it also doesn't support wireless charging. But that's totally understandable considering the price it's sold for, okay? That's completely acceptable. I want your honest opinion. Comment below and share if you think the device is worth it. Did you like it or not? Was the video cool or not? Don't forget to leave your like before you go. That's really important too. Check your subscription here on the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with everyone. We're in this together. Thank you all. God bless. Big hugs. See you next time. I'm out.